How to log out of Trello application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to manage your Trello account or trying to switch accounts on your phone, you don't need to worry at all. Logging out of the Trello mobile app is quick and easy. First of all, launch open Trello application on your device, and once you're inside this homepage or the Boards tab, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Account button. Once you're inside this Accounts tab, scroll all the way down and look for the Logout button, which usually appears right underneath Join Beta Testing. Tap on Logout, and you have successfully signed out or logged out of the app. Now you can safely switch accounts or simply take a break. If you ever log back in, just enter your email and password and you are good to go again. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.